Bridge Course 2021-22 9th Standard Science 2 Day 2. Robert Harding Whittaker. He was the scientist who gave us five kingdom classification. He was born in 1920 and died in 1980. All these criteria were followed for classification of living organisms. Microorganisms were further subdivided into two parts, prokaryote and eukaryote. Prokaryote means one who don't have nucleus. So which organism come? Yeah, all bacteria lie here. Eukaryote means either unicellular or multicellular. Which kingdom here? Yeah, kingdom are protista, fungi and algae. All these three kingdom lie under this roof. Let us study each and every organism or each and every kingdom in detail. We all are going to see all these animals here. While studying the size of these microorganisms, just remember 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 6 or 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometer. Bacteria. Size of bacteria is 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. They are unicellular independent parasitic organisms. Come together to form colonies. Nuclear or cell organelles are absent. They reproduce by binary fission, grow in favorable condition. Simple bacteria grow vigorously and can multiply to double in just 20 minutes. Example are Coccus, Bacillus, Spirillum, Vibrio, that is comma shaped, Protozoa. Size approximately 20 micrometer. They are found in fresh water, soil and sea water. Some are found in body of other organisms and are pathogenic. Example amoeba and paramecium. These organisms produce by simple cell division. Free living in dirty water, Plasmodium vivax cause malaria. Euglena are autotrophic. Fungi. Size approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. These are found in decaying bodies of plant and animals. These are eukaryotes. Some are visible by naked eyes. Algae. Size approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. They are aquatic, eukaryotic, unicellular, autotroph organism. Example are Chlorella and Chlamydomonas. Very few species of algae are unicellular. Most of them are multicellular and visible with naked eyes. They have cytoplasm in their cell so that they are autotrophic. They can prepare their own food themselves. These are the example. They are multicellular as well. Viruses. Size is 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Generally, viruses are not said to be living organism or organism at the age of living and non-living organism. They are studied under microbiology. They are extremely minute and can be seen only under electron microscope. They have RNA. Virus can survive in living cell only and multiply their colonies in cell. Virus cause disease to human and plants. You can see here the virus has entered the cell and now it is multiplying here. After creating itself, it will kill that cell and it will free itself so that it can infect other healthy cells, and it will multiply and form its colony in the living organism's body. Let us see how these viruses infect us. In human body, polio virus, influenza virus, HIV, AIDS virus, etc. In cattle, it is picorna virus. In plants, tomato wilt virus, tomato mosaic virus, etc. Bacteria, it is bacteriophage, that is virus attack bacteria. That's all. Now see all the video carefully and try to answer the following activity. Now I am reading it for you all. Question 1 of this activity: write the names of diseases caused by microorganism. Question 2, write the correct key. Plasmodium cause diarrhea. You just have to correct the statement what is given in question 2a. Question 2b, tomato wilt is a bacterial disease. Is it bacterial disease? If no, then what it is? Question 3, match the following pair. A column and B column. In A column I will read all three and B column I will read all three. A virus 1, 2 algae, 3 bacteria. In column B, first one 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Second, it is 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer, and third 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Here some organisms are given. You just have to write their names according to their size. मी तुम्हाला या व्हिडिओमध्ये सगळ्यांच्या साईज दिलेल्या आहेत, तर तुम्ही एक तर असेंडिंग ऑर्डरमध्ये यांचे नावं सगळ्यांचे लिहून द्यायचे. सगळ्यात कमी पहिलं, नंतर हळूहळू मोठे मोठे. Just identify what is given in the picture and write down the classification of this living thing in your activity sheet. That is notebook, 100 pages. Question 6. Which of the following is a photosynthetic microorganism? Just identify the correct one and write it down. That's all.